Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna unbox and take a first look on the brand new iPad Pro 12.9 inch 5th generation model and the Apple Pencil. And first a disclaimer, I bought the devices on my own account, so everything I'm gonna tell you in this and future videos is completely my own personal and unbiased opinion. So let's get started. So you can see here, this is the 256 gigabyte storage model, Wi-Fi version. And yeah, so let's get started. This is the plastic here. Okay. Put that plastic away. So let's take a look. Does not want to come out. Very sticky, this cardboard. Okay, so here we go. This is the iPad. It's the space gray version, as you might see here. Put that beside first, and take a look what's in the box. Usual paper stuff here. First steps, probably in many languages, so don't care about that. And what is this here? More this stickers. I don't give a shit for that. Okay, so this is the USB-C cable. The new iPad supports Thunderbolt, but this is, I think this is a usual USB-C cable. And this is the charging adapter. And very little. You can see a 20 watt. So that's everything in the box. Yeah, then we'll continue with the Apple Pencil. This is a little bit easier to stick out. Same paper stuff. I will not even take this out. And this is the pencil. So this Apple Pencil is only compatible with the newer versions of the iPad. For example, my iPad Pro 10.5 inch 2017 model is not compatible with the pencil. I had a pencil of the first generation before, but I lost it in a hotel room. Okay, so take this away. Quite heavy, 685 grams or 1.51 pounds for the US of not imperial or not metric system. Yeah, that's it. So you can see here the USB port, the grill of the loudspeakers. Here the same. This is, as I said, the Wi-Fi model, so there is no slot for a tray for a SIM card or something. This is the volume rocker. Camera here is the same as in the previous model. This is a 12 megapixel and 10 megapixel ultra wide, and a LiDAR sensor and a flashlight. It's quite heavy. Let's compare here. I'll make a little side-by-side comparison with my Galaxy Tab S7. So they're more or less same height. Okay, this is not a fair comparison because of I have the kickstand back cover. This button. So let's compare. It's more or less the same. And yeah, it's obviously the iPad is much wider. Oops. So much wider here. Yeah. And yeah, it feels heavier, of course, than the Galaxy Tab. So we'll start the iPad. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens. Didn't press enough, long enough. Oh, there it is. It starts in portrait mode. In the meantime, we can take a look at this display. This is the new Liquid Retina XDR mini LED display. Okay, this is while it's starting. It has a reasonable white point. Okay, so now let's configure it. So I'm here in Germany. By the way, the price was here in Germany 1,309 euros. Yeah, of course the price depends on the region or in your country. And the Apple Pencil was about 150 euros. Okay, so this is the first look. I will make in the future more videos, and I will make a in-depth comparison of the new iPad Pro with my Samsung Galaxy Tab, particularly with the screen. I will compare in the future the screen, the OLED screen of the Tab S7 Plus with the new mini LED screen. And so yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed it a little bit, and see you the next time. Thank you very much.